today. Kind of pissing my pants because I have an interview with the school in Berlin in like 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes, and I've just been sitting here being nervous for like the past 2 hours. I think they might ask me about like my portfolio and maybe just in general ask me like, hi, you know, who are you, like talk about yourself or whatever. I don't know. Also, I forgot to mention this, but I did cut my hair. You probably saw it last time I talked to the camera. I just never mentioned it. But I am still planning like what to do with my hair, like color wise. I'm thinking more and more about just bleaching it really light and have like really light gray hair again. I do really miss that, so I'm considering, but yeah. I'll go back to being nervous and maybe I'll update you guys after the interview. Pissing my pants.
And French block not as poppin' as you. By the way, you say it's not. And Books, Bryce Hall's former manager Michael Gruen responded saying that Logan Paul's statements were 100%
professional and Joey was.
I knew it.
Ollie, some facts about this place. Okay. So, Frito with white chocolate chips. No, I need with that.
Oh my god, there's so many.
I'm dedicated.
Proud of him for that.
By the end of my
I don't know about sexism sometimes. It's bad. She's on that train.
Hey besties. It's been quite some time, I feel like, since I last talked to the camera like this. I haven't really been feeling myself. Like, I don't feel like I look really ugly or anything. I just feel like my bangs are a little bit too short and I don't want this hair color. I really don't want it. I don't know what hair color I want, but not this one. And I've been trying to book a doctor's appointment yesterday and today, but I keep missing like when the phone's open. Like yesterday I was calling in on like 4:05 and whoa, okay, no, we closed at 4, and I was like, oh shit, like that was stupid, I should have called earlier. And this morning I tried to call them at 11, I think it was 11:05 or something, and they have a break from 11 to 1, like a 2-hour break, and I'm like, does the universe just not want me to have a doctor's appointment, or is that just the vibes that I'm getting? Like, what? I have a dentist appointment at Friday, and I'm gonna get a new passport on Saturday. So I'm like, God, please don't let this be like an ugly passport moment. Please, I'm begging. This week I've just been filming a lot of me cooking and a lot of me eating. It's really relaxing for me to make like cooking content because it like makes me put effort into like what I eat. But yeah, otherwise, except from like having a little weird hair crisis continuously while also having crisis on like every other area of my life for some reason. I've been watching a lot of shows lately. I'm trying to finish Vincenzo. Oh my god, today I just got spoiled Vincenzo. Like I just got spoiled something. I knew something bad was gonna happen, but I got spoiled what was gonna happen, and I'm so upset about it. And I haven't even watched the scene, and I know when it comes, and if you've seen the show, you probably know what I'm talking about. I know that when it comes, I'll be so upset. I know I'll cry. I'll make some breakfast, so come join me. I think I'm gonna make noodles and have a salad on the side. As per usual, one of my go-to meals. I remembered to take my vitamins yesterday, and that's the first time. I know I said it in like a vlog a week ago or two that I was gonna like take my vitamins more, but I haven't. And I haven't, even if I said it on camera, like I'm gonna remember to take my vitamins today. I haven't been good at it. I still forgot. But I did this. I put all my vitamins that I need to take. You see there's a lot of them. I put them in this. So I remembered yesterday. I'm gonna remember today. I have it like right in front of my PC, so I will remember. Yes. Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
On steroids. Phone and I'll set this up for yourself.
We'll see if I can book an appointment or if the universe is just dooming me doctorless. I managed to book an appointment to the doctor. I ordered plane tickets yesterday because me and my friend are gonna see our other friend in like 2 weeks. So we're gonna take the plane to this city in Norway. I've never been there before, but my friend is from there and we're gonna visit her. I'll vlog the trip, I think, because I think I'll try to film a lot of the scenery. Anyways. Good morning. Do I look sick? Because I feel sick. I mean, I don't really, oh my lord, wait, I'll fix my hair. Wait a second. I'm back. So, today I am very nauseous. So I took a painkiller with a protein bar this morning, and it has worked, so I feel I'm not in extreme amounts of pain, but I am very nauseous, and I'm leaving in like 20-30 minutes. So I just made ramen. I hope it I'll be able to eat it. I need to change too before I leave. But yeah, no, I started doing this with my, this is very random, but I started doing this with my hair to hold my bangs down while they dry, and I think it looks so cute. I started going outside with just like pins in my hair like this. I will try to get down this food. Even though you have a bad appetite someday, I think the most important thing is like know what food is easy for you to eat. It just makes my day better when I'm having one of these days where it's like my body is just deteriorating and like I'm in so much pain and I'm being dramatic, but it helps a lot to just have some food that is like warm and comfy and like, yeah, I'll eat now. I'll talk to you guys later. Hey besties, let me show you what I'm eating. I'm having this. It is a pasta salad. Put the white stuff is some aioli, some vegan aioli, like this. I'm pretty sure it's a vegan hot dog. I wouldn't say today has been like an awful day. I would just say that it hasn't been the best day for me because I've been in like cramps and like been kind of nauseous. I met with my friend today and they are honestly such like a positive influence. I'm having such a good time when I'm hanging out with them, which made my day a lot better. I'm eating dinner now, eating this, and I feel like after COVID, I've been so sensitive when I'm around people. Like today I had a really, really good time. It was so much fun. And like, I feel like before COVID, I would kind of give my energy to like whoever, but I've been kind of learning how to, like what people is worth being with and like spending time with. Obviously, I'm not a perfect person. I don't expect people around me to be perfect people. But I do have some standards like around them that I want to feel like respected. So yeah, like this is basically what I eat during a day when I'm having like a really bad day. Even though today ended up being a lot better than I thought it would be this morning. I feel like this is still like a comfort food, you know? And this week has been nice. So yeah. Hope you guys had a good day today. Thank you for listening to me talk about my day at least. Yeah. Good morning. Today is gonna be a really, really busy day because last night I checked the spam folder on my mail and my acceptance letter for the uni that I wanted to go to in Berlin was there. So I got in and I'm so excited because I got in, and I don't know, I thought I would get in, but at the same time I was like, I don't know if I'll get in, like what if I don't get in? But I got in, so that means I'm definitely going to study in Berlin. Let's get it going. Let's make some food together. I'll make ramen because I have pretty bad cramps and I just don't feel like I have a lot of appetite, so I think I'll have ramen, maybe some vegetables. Honestly, we'll see what happens. We'll see what I feel like making, but yay!
Alright, we're just gonna... Who did that? That's why I have so many steel swords. And, well, I should... Efficiency 4. This was toxic. You would know that... Explode. And I'm telling you, it's not something I feel like...
Hey! Just came home from a doctor's office. I took a blood test. I'm gonna have breakfast now because I had to fast for the blood tests and stuff. But I haven't had breakfast and I'm hungry. So let's go make breakfast.